The purpose of this tutorial is to explain how to set up random values from the ExtendSim database directly, as opposed to using a random block inside your model. So first we have to open up the database and make sure we're in table view. If you see your model like this with the read block or write block, you can show ExtendSim database from there. And then you choose the field that you want to randomize. In this case, we're going to be randomizing zombie speed. So we choose zombie speed field. You can select the whole column if you have more than one record. And we're going to select the icon that looks like the normal distribution, and that makes our cells random. Now we're going to fill out this dialog box. So we can choose, it defaults to exponential, but you can choose any one of the distributions that would be otherwise available within ExtendSim, and then fill out the appropriate parameters. So if we chose something like a normal distribution, we would fill out the mean, and then the standard deviation. And then also we can limit values directly from the database. This has the advantage of doing the limiting in one step, as opposed to needing to do the limiting. If we used a random block, it doesn't have this limiting feature. So this is one advantage of generating the random variables within the database table directly. So just a word of caution on the limiting. The upper limit is first. So we have to have the upper limit rather than the upper limit being the top box. So it's a little bit counterintuitive on that. But just remembering that, let's say we want the upper limit here to be 20 and the lower limit to be 5. You can then plot the distribution to make sure you get approximately what you think you're getting. And then you click the Submit to Cell button. So now you'll notice within that cell, it shows you the parameters for that distribution, and then it shows you that the limits have been imposed on that. And this is the end of the tutorial.